Hello video editors, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be creating the following video on DaVinci Resolve just by cutting. So guys, as you can see, I've already imported my clips into the timeline and I'm ready to edit. And if you're wondering how I did this, I already made a video about it, so you can go back and watch it. So let's begin. You start by selecting all the clips to link them together so that you'll be able to move them around and all. Next thing you do will look for where you start cutting from to make the video smooth. So bring it back. I'm going to start from here. So select the blade tool, cut, click on the select tool, come down, select what you've cut, and then delete. Now there are other ways you can also delete, so I'm going to bring this back and then right click on it, go up to ripple delete, and then delete. So that's the second way you can delete. So let's continue. I'm going to stop here, come back a little bit. Yeah, so I'm going to stop here now, choose the blade to cut from here, select the rest, and then right click, ripple delete. So it's easier that way, it will bring the other clip closer. Now we'll move on to the next clip, choose the perfect spot for this. Yeah, I think I'm going to cut from here, choose the blade tool, cut again, select tool, click on it, and then ripple delete as well. So play from the beginning. Now guys, you can see it's well blended, I guess. Now I'm going to cut off the rest because after that I don't need the rest. Select, click on it, just delete, ripple delete, and you can just use only delete for that as well. So I'm just going to move it closer to make it better, and then move it close to the text. So that's just it guys, a simple way to create that kind of video, like quick dressing kind of video, just by cutting, nothing else added to it, no special effect or anything. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. If there are things you want me to act on, like the mistakes I made, leave it down on the comment section and I'll make sure I respond to everything, not just by reading and replying. I will also act towards it. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.